Oh, hell no. No, not in my base.
What do we think?
Yeah, I got a bazooka for you, all right.
What you be drinking? What you do? You go over there showing karate?
All right, Kirk, our beautiful red geo-tracker top is here, courtesy of the eBays. Couple hundred bones. We'll have that thing looking like new. Let's go check out the inspection form. They've got the tracker on the lift today, and we're gonna find out what this thing needs and how much money we're gonna have to put into it to make it a decent car. What's up, Ling Ling? Yeah, I got a bazooka for you, all right. You're Rambo, man.
What you be drinking? What you do? You go over there showing karate?
You're crazy, man.
Well, you know me, that like when I fucked up in the head,
Yeah?
I do crazy thing like make comic like that.
Yeah.
Killing my pain and doing stupidness.
You're crazy.
Yeah, I know.
You need to go to the mental institution, maybe. Get checked out, Lee.
Yeah, maybe, you know, I guess that's true. I need something to tighten up.
That's right.
Yeah.
Get Mike to put a couple bolts in that brain, buddy. All right, Magic Mike, talk to us about our beautiful Geo Tracker. Tell us what we're working with today, my man.
We're working on a 1998 Geo Tracker.
94, but that's okay, close enough.
Huh?
94, 95, something like that.
98.
Maybe the key tag was wrong. Key tag said something
That's
different.
what they have on the key tag.
Yeah.
It does have a few oil leaks on it.
I see that.
Possible valve cover gasket, oil pan. Needs tires all the way around on it. Tires are dry rotted and outdated. Somebody put a power steering belt on it, and they did not put the power steering belt back on properly. It needs to be relocated back on the power steering pump. Also, the AC is not blowing cold. The compressor is working, so it's probably low on Freon.
Okay.
The gearbox is pouring power steering fluid out of it.
Okay.
It needs a gearbox like yesterday.
All right.
Got brand new brake pads up front. Rear brakes are good. Needs exhaust from the catalytic converter back. Muffler's rotted out here.
Okay.
And then the exhaust pipe's rotted out back through here.
Gotcha. Okay.
Frame's in good shape. Rust holes in the body or anything like that.
Okay.
It drove good. There is a check engine light on.
Okay.
We don't have a way of scanning because it's old school. I checked all the fuses. The fuses were all good. It's possible it could have something to do with electrical or something like that, but it ran good. Now I know it needs a top on it.
Got the top, just brought that down. We're going to get that put on tomorrow. Tim and Danny are going to knock that out.
Okay. But it drove good.
All right. We'll get you a set of bicycle tires to put on it. We can do that.
A bicycle tire.
Yeah, it's about what size they are, man. Yeah, they look like a little bicycle. Yeah. And then get me a parts list on, of course, all the gaskets and stuff. We kind of want to, take this thing all the way. I think we're going to paint it and everything. So work me up some numbers, and we'll see if we can find the parts and go from there, man. Tell me, were you able to get the rear top zipped up to the piece of plywood? Were you able to zip the rear top up on that plywood board that's back there?
No, that doesn't belong back there.
I thought that was factory.
It's not. Hell no, that's not factory. Hell, that piece of wood.
They didn't put plywood in them at the factory?
No.
No way, that, brother. I think I know that.
I had to think about that for the
We almost got you, man. We almost got you.
So where are we starting, guys?
We're going to pressure wash it off real good so we can isolate where it's leaking from because it's just covered in oil, and then kind of we'll get a better idea there. So let's get it off. Let's get on that rack. Danny, can you shoot this underneath for me today? Just get it cleaned up real good for Mike. Hit the top and the bottom with a pressure washer, and then we'll roll it back in, Monday and take another look after it's dried off.
Well,
all right.
Our lifts are both tied up over here. Right?
Well, it doesn't have to be this second, Dale. We can get to it when we get to it.
I don't mind if I use it.
Oh, hell no. Not in, no.
Mikey, what are we thinking?
No, not in my base.
Mike,
Jordan Davis, furthest truck.
what you working on?
Start with the small leaks first. We had leaks up top on the valve cover gasket, so I got a new valve cover gasket here. Pulling all the tow package and everything off, the wire, all the aftermarket wire.
Right.
That's out in it. Let's put it back to where it needs to be.
Yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad. I mean,
No, it's not bad at all, bro.
I tell you what would probably clean this up real nice? Have you seen that new Valvoline Restore and Protect oil?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that probably,
Yeah.
Really clean that up. And then what's the next step? So what are we doing? Tires and...
Going through the order for the exhaust, the tires. We got to locate a gearbox for it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Steering gearbox.
Steering gearbox for it. And, you know, the other things, oil change, air filter, whatever else needs to be addressed, we're going to address it. So
Turbocharger.
yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
It's honestly, I think Byron's highly considering it, believe it or not. I think he is. 4 or 5 PSI. Really? All right. Well, that's another day. That's another bridge.
Let's get it rocking and rolling, and let's get it street worthy.
Yeah. So
how about that?